Good do. Let her sleep. He's in very deep sleep.
Hi guys, welcome back to KidOzKitchen. So for today's video, I'm going to make chicken stuffed with spinach. Well, I've had this dish before. And I had it on a movie day. And it was on and we usually have movie days on Saturday or Sunday. Okay. So for today's KidOzKitchen, I thought, why can't I bring this? So that's what we're gonna make. So for the ingredients for the chicken stuffed with spinach, we have salt, we have ginger and garlic paste, we have lime, red chili powder, a little bit of turmeric, we have feta cheese, we have spinach. It's not very dry, it's a little bit soggy also, but right now we're using the frozen version. We need to get to the main point. Is the most important thing is chicken. Before we stuff the chicken in, we need to start with the marination. Well, to start with the marination, we need to cut the chicken up a little bit. So we need to cut it over here, not into finely two pieces. We need to we need to split it open. Well, I can't do that, so I'll get my dad's help for this. Now see how my dad's gonna split the chicken. He's not cutting into two pieces. He's just cutting it into the middle. He's not cutting this part. That's how it's supposed to be. To start with the marination, I'll put all the spices onto the plate. Now put salt as per taste. Now put the ginger garlic paste. Now I'm gonna add the lime juice.
I'll show you one trick, okay? So you take this lime juice and just roll it on the board so that from the inside can become more softer and more easier to squeeze out the juice.
And just saying, we need to only use half of the lime juice. Just 1/2.
Okay, and just add that.
Now I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to mix it into a paste. As you can see, the paste is ready. So we will rub the paste on the chicken. Don't worry about the spice. It's not red chili powder. It's Kashmir red chili powder. And it just gives the good color, the bright red color. But it also has a little bit of spice. As you can see, the marination is ready. So I'm going to leave it in the fridge for around 30 minutes to 1 hour. Why is because, the chicken has all the spices around it. So the chicken needs to absorb the spice so it can be more juicy and tasty. Now to make the stuffing, all you have to do is just put the feta cheese and the spinach together and mix it up.
Yeah.
Now stuffed inside the chicken. Now I'm going to shallow fry for around 10 minutes before we put in the oven. Now the pan's heated up. I will put some oil, and then after that I'll shallow fry the chicken. Now we'll put the chicken in the oil to shallow fry it. Always do this in adult supervision. After one side is shallow fried, you flip it over to the other side and always keep it on low flame. Now we'll flip the chicken to the other side. Look at the texture of that. While in the middle, preheat the oven to 150 Celsius. Don't throw the oil away because I'm going to show you how to make my special gravy.
Your chicken is fried. Now it's time for you to put in the oven. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you one tip. Okay, normally what happens when you putting the chicken in the oven, it gets dry. But to keep it moist, put the water in a tray. Okay, and that will give you moisture chicken. Another tip which you wanted to share.
Yeah.
What was that about the gravy?
Yeah, I wanted to show to make the special gravy. Now to make my gravy, I'm going to use 2 chicken stock cubes. So, I'll put in here. So if we want, if we have warm water, it will mix well faster. Now I've transferred the chicken onto the grill. Under the grill is the where I put the water and the chicken stock. Now we'll transfer the chicken into the oven. Now we will leave the chicken for 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'm going to show you how to make my special gravy. To make this gravy, we're going to use the same oil, but instead we're going to put a tiny piece of butter. Now in the same oil, I'm going to put some butter, and I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of plain flour. And I'm going to mix it well. When it started bubbling, put the chicken stock into the pan. Now mix it well. Now you can see that it's turned into thick gravy. Before it looked like it was watery, but now it's thick. So now I'm going to put some more of this chicken stock. And stir it well. I'm going to put some black pepper. As you know, the chicken stock has a little bit of salt. So if you want to put more salt, you can. But for now, we're not going to put salt. Daddy, good dog, come and taste.
Hi guys, I'm the one today who's been chosen to taste this. Lucky me. Okay, so what is this? What do you call this?
This is the chicken stuffed with spinach.
Yeah.
Chicken stuffed with spinach. Alright, and with the garlic bread. And
It looks like tasty.
just your gravy. Right.
And it looks like tasty.
Is it tasty?
Yeah.
Right, let me try. So I'm gonna pour this. You want to pour this gravy on that, is it? Top of that? Okay, so let it go smoothly. Ooh.
The waterfall has risen again.
The waterfall coming down.
That looks very. Mr. Trishan, fall over. Right. Go and sit over here. Go on, go on.
That was a little bit funny.
Taste.
Hey, hang on. Let me cut it. Okay. Cut it from here.
So you want to try the filling first?
Yes. So.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Okay.
Happy birthday
See?
to you.
No, it's today's Queen's birthday, not our birthday. Okay, so you can see the fill. Okay, you can see the filling. Got spinach in there with cheese, isn't it? Yeah, feta cheese, right?
yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
And
It looks like.
chicken is well done as well.
Oh yeah, it looks like chicken.
Okay.
Obviously it's chicken.
Okay. Let me taste it. Let's see.
Yeah, Mr. Guest. How does it taste?
That's very tasty
And now my turn.
and very juicy.
And then my turn now.
The next
Okay,
guest.
you can feel the flavor of the chicken, the gravy, and the spinach as well.
And me.
Okay.
Okay, now
Good,
the
you
next
try?
guest.
You try?
Why give me a little packet?
Come
Wait, no, give
close.
us the gravy.
Now I have.
Very
Gravy.
safe.
Now I have.
My special
Okay,
gravy
come
needs to be tasted.
Like it? Delicious? Tasty? Good?
Now it is $1,000, 3,000,
You're gonna give the $1,000 for this
and 3,000.
$3,000?
Give me my money.
No, to that.
Okay. Daksh, you wanna try?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's really, really tasty. Quite.
Now the garlic bread.
You wanna try the garlic bread? These are complimentary. This. Oh.
Just saying, we did not make this. We got it from a shop.
Yay!
You wanna try, Shah?
Yeah.
Right, guys. The recipe is very delicious. I would like everyone to try this at home. You will love it. And I just want to say, once you watch this video, please like this video. Click the thumbs up below, thumbs up sign below the video.
And this is the.
And please put your comments as well. Hope you like this video and this recipe. And click that little bell.
And also, share with your friends.
Yeah, please share with your friends this video.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you.
I hope you like the chicken. Please like the video. Comment down below.
Etta is cooking the dreams.
Welcome back to KidOzKitchen.
Video. Welcome back to KidOzKitchen. So, back to KidOzKitchen. This monster over here won't stop headbutting me. Go.